Hello student, welcome to chemistry online classes. Last class we have discussed about acidic strength of ketones and ester. To continuation, today we are discussing about keto-enol tautomerism. Carbonyl compounds with alpha hydrogens are in equilibrium with small amount of enol isomers. Let's take an example. Acetone, which is having an alpha hydrogen, it can be converted into enol. And this is keto form of acetone, and this is enol form of acetone. Here ene double bond present and alcohol is present. Hydroxy attached to the alkene system, we call it as enol. These two forms are constitutional isomers. Same molecular formula but different in bond connectivity, we call it as constitutional isomers, which undergo rapid interconversion such a way that we cannot isolate independently. Tautomers are constitutional isomers which undergo rapid interconversion one with another such a way that they cannot be isolated independently. We call it as tautomers. And here our conversion is there between the keto form to enol. We call it as keto-enol tautomerism. Keto and enol form establishes dynamic equilibrium, and these two present in dynamic state. This conversion very slow in dilute solution or in the absence of acids and base catalyst. Most of the carbonyl compounds are considerably more stable than their corresponding enols. So the usual representation for this equilibrium is keto form is more favorable than enol form. In ketone, 99%, more than 99% exist in the keto form and less than 1% exist in the enol form, and they are in the dynamic equilibrium. The greater stability of keto form can be related to the strength of the carbon oxygen double bond as compared to carbon carbon pi bond. Here the carbon and oxygen pi bond, which is having higher energy, approximately 365 kilojoules per mole. When you look at the C double bond C, the pi bond energy 250 kilojoules per mole. Hence, the C double bond O, double bond of a carbonyl group, is a stronger bond than the C double bond C, double bond of an enolate. The enolation of esters and carboxylic acids are even less favorable than enolation of most of the carbonyl compounds. Let's take an example, ethyl acetate. Here the enolation will take place in this fashion. This hydrogen migrated on oxygen. This we call it as enol of ethyl acetate. With esters and acids, the additional instability of enols results from loss of the stabilizing resonance interaction between carboxylate oxygen and carbonyl pi electrons. Hence, enolation in the case of esters and carboxylic acids are even less favorable than normal carbonyl compounds. Even though few compounds it will exist enol forms more stable than keto form. Let's take an examples. Here I am taking example 1, beta dicarbonyl compounds. The first example is acetyl acetone. Here we have 2 hydrogen. Acetyl acetone is an example for beta dicarbonyl compounds. So you can take, this is the acetyl group and this part is acetone group, and it is a keto form of acetyl acetone which undergo enolation in this fashion. This hydrogen which is involved in the enolation formed a enol. This is enol form of acetyl acetone. Enol form of acetyl acetone is relatively more stable than keto form. In hexane solution, enol form exists 92% in hexane solution. If we go to the keto form, 8% it exists in the keto form in hexane solution. What could be the reason to exist acetyl acetone in enol form major? There are two reasons play a role in the stability of enol form. One is extended conjugation, which help additional bonding that stabilizes the enol. Here if you see carbonyl compound and C double bond C, which are separated by single bond, they are conjugated pi bonds. So due to this conjugation, the extra stability will come to the enol form. As a result, it will exist in the major. Along with the conjugation, we have another factor here is intramolecular hydrogen bonding between oxygen and hydrogen. It is intramolecular hydrogen bonding, and it is a stabilizing interaction. Due to these two interactions, one is conjugation and another one is hydrogen bonding, in the acetyl acetone, enol form is more stable than keto form. In acetyl acetone, these two hydrogens are very reactive hydrogens which easily loses H plus and it forms carbanion, and carbanion is stabilized by resonance, and these two hydrogen we call it as acidic hydrogens are reactive hydrogens, and the methylene group, the CH2 unit, this is we call it as active methylene group. active methylene group. So how we can define active methylene group is the methylene group is flanked between two electron withdrawing group. We call it as active methylene group. The hydrogens which are present on that carbon is more acidic, readily loses, forms a carbon ion. Let me discuss keto-enol tautomerism in ethyl acetoacetate. And this is the structure of ethyl acetoacetate. Here we have ethyl, and this is the portion we call it as acetoacetate, ethyl acetoacetate. The keto form which undergo enolization, enol formation in this fashion. This hydrogen will be given to here, and carbon oxygen, the pi bond is taking care of oxygen, and hydrogen is migrated from carbon to oxygen. As a result, it will form enol. And here we will get a and here the enol form is stabilized by hydrogen bonding. Again, the ester oxygen which play a role in hydrogen bonding, and it will be stabilized enol form of ethyl acetoacetate, and it is keto form of ethyl acetoacetate. It is to be noted that in ethyl acetoacetate, the ester group does not participate in enolization, which decreases the resonance energy of the system. As a result, potential energy of the molecule increases. Similarly, we will take another example, diethyl malonyate. It is also having active methylene group, and these hydrogens are more acidic. Diethyl malonyate less prone to undergo enolization because of two ester groups which are present on it. I can write enol form of diethyl malonyate. But this form is not more stable. The resonance stabilization of enol form of diethyl malonyate is almost negligible. In conclusion, the order of the percentage of enol form in reactive methylene compounds is acetyl acetone, which is having higher enol form. After that, ethyl acetoacetate, followed by diethyl malonyate.